Hello techies, we are in lab 2.6.11 and we're going to explore physical connectivity 2. So in this lab you explore different methods of troubleshooting network communication problems caused by a loss of power in the networking closet. The troubleshooting steps include using the pin command, viewing the link and connectivity light on the switches and servers and changing power sources. Select S bits to view the network diagram. So this is the network table. Locate and review the network closet. Okay, so we have the details here. So from the network closet, disconnect all three power plugs from the wall outlet and view the result. Find the power source for the COP server. Find the power source for the COP server monitor. And these are the details that they use. And from COP data, ping office 1 and the COPnet router's internal interface. Okay, so from move the AC and from these details for 8 and 9 tags, the networking closet connect the AC power and cord. Alright, so let's go ahead and start lab. Now this video appears to be too fast for you all. I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to be as fast as possible so that this video won't be unnecessarily too long for you all. Alright, so this lab has loaded, and according to our tags on the left pane, we are to go into office, well, let's see, of the networking. Let's go into the networking closet and let's see the first tags. Locate and review. The question says select the correct order of servers top to bottom. Okay, so let's maximize this so that we see the order of the servers from top to bottom. This is gonna be see, go to the back. And let's see to the front, and okay, let's check the questions again. As a result of unplugging the UPS, so all link lights are off. All link lights are off. The COP server monitor is off. And what else did we notice? The COP data server is still running because the lights are still on. And question 3, why does COP server no longer have power? That is because it is going to critical load. Yeah. And why does the COP server monitor still? Okay, so let's go back into the office overview, and the next tag says to from COPnet ping Okay, so let's go into we're going into the networking closet, and we're going to cop data. We go into the terminal ping, that's C419.2.168.0.30, ping, that's C419.198.28.56.1. And what else are we ping? Okay, so we press, what else are we pinging anything again? Nope, 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 nope. Okay, 100% packet loss, 100% packet loss. Let's answer the question then. There is none. Yes, there's none. That's C419.2.168.0.30. So we're gonna ping 198.28.56.1, and then okay, so this is gonna be all. And let's go back to Office Overview. Let's minimize this and go into Networking Closet and turn the back of this, and then we plug in the power cable. So this is plugged in and the lights on. So let's answer the questions. The last question. Yeah. So if this video was helpful to you in any way, share in other platforms so that others can benefit. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.